Innovation is a challenge that, at Dastions, we undertake with the commitment to constantly improve. Through engineering and computer design, we streamline the management of industrial processes, transportation and logistics, emission reduction, and cybersecurity. We make careful time management the key component of progress, providing modernity while ensuring control, efficiency, automation, and integration. Truck and Scales, our modular and adaptable automatic weighing control system, tailored to the customer's needs, is an example. License plate reading through OCR and night vision for access control based on materials or warehouses. TCP/IP cameras for data transmission. Identification options using loading orders or QR codes on mobile phones. Professional printers. Truck and Scales reduces the bureaucratic burden of weighing tasks and speeds up the entire process, cutting the time spent by up to 6 times and achieving over 1,500 weighings daily. Additionally, Truck and Scales' maintenance service is predictive, anticipating any errors in the system, both physical and digital, and providing a solution before an error can occur. We integrate the data with the customer's ERP. Furthermore, we work with SAP to ensure that weighing records are accessible via mobile phone, tablet, or computer from anywhere in the world. To be more efficient, more environmentally friendly, and much more productive. We not only generate savings, but also achieve much greater precision and security in transactions. Dastions, professionalism and efficiency in the service of innovation.